Greetings from TestprepKart. When we talk about live sessions, what do we mean by this? This means that you are able to speak with me real time. You are able to ask your queries to the teacher real time. Real time means then and there, right? It should not be recorded. There should be no lag, right? So live means there should be a real-time interaction between the teacher and the students, right? That's it. So here at TestprepKart, we have taken full care of this thing that all our sessions should be live. It's not that you are typing in the chat box and you are calling it live. It's not that the teacher is speaking. Students are simply listening to the teacher and they are not able to ask their queries then and there. It's not live, right? So live means both interactive, real time, right? So that basically the live sessions are the soul of any live interactive classes, right? We here at TestprepKart take very special care that each and every student should be on camera, should be asking the queries or concern or whatever, should be interacting with the teacher real time then and there, right? And from this purpose, what we have done, that we have kept the batch size here at TestprepKart for JEE very small. There would only be 16 students in a batch, all on camera, equipped with a mic, and they are ready to present themselves to the teachers, right? That is it. So this is regarding maintaining the very soul of, the very core of the live sessions. That's it. The day you start keeping 40-50 students in a batch, the very soul of, or the very essence of live sessions are lost. That's it. Now, TestprepKart, you must be knowing, is the oldest organization to have started these live sessions in Middle East, Southeast Asia, US, and all over the world, including India, right? So we understand the concern of the students and we are very careful about that, okay? That we must not playing around with the words. Whatever we speak, we should follow that, right? In terms of whatever, we have spoken with you earlier. So that's a very, very important thing for us, right? Now, let me define over here one by one the minutes of this course. This is grade 12th coaching program for JEE 1-year coaching program. The sessions will be taking place 3 to 4 days a week. Each session is going to be of 2 hours. 2 hours means 2 hours, right? Very disciplined approach where the teachers are coming on time, right? The sessions are also taking place at the time, say for example 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. if you are Middle East, okay? If you are in Southeast Asia, say from 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. India time, so that the difference of the time zone is synchronized. You don't feel problem. Your ward goes to the bed at the right time, right? That's it. Now, the study material, it is divided into the hard copy and soft copy. So the hard copy of material would be dispatched to a place by courier, and the soft copy of material would be uploaded into your academic account. So altogether, for 1-year program for JEE, it is 8100 pages of material. This is for JEE Main, JEE Advanced, BITSAT, SAT1, and other state level engineering examinations, right? Now, so in addition to the live sessions, and your child is taking sessions in a very small batch, we make sure that each and every session is recorded. Now, there are 3 to 4 huge benefits of this recording. First of all, being a parent, you can always enter into your child's account where the recording has been saved, and you can look into the recording so that you can check the quantum of interaction of your child with other students as well as with the teacher. That's the first thing. Second, you can create your own archive by downloading the recording if you want to revise. Of course, everyone wants to revise. So this is the best way, in the digitized form where you have created the archive on a desktop. Okay. And third thing is that if ever your ward has missed the session, he can view the recording and he can come at par, right? So the best thing with a test prep class is that small batches, completely live and interactive, equipped with the best and the robust teachers of the JEE industry, top-notch Ex-IITians, study material and test series, right? So this basically is the formula of success here at TestprepKart, and only on the basis of this we have been able to give this much of result. So now the time is yours, right? Thanks a lot.